Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you cancel the friend request that you have sent. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Facebook application. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application, and after opening the Facebook application, just simply go to this friend section here. Step 2. Click to friend request. Now you just simply have to click into this friend request option into the friends tab. And after that you can see these three dots into the top right corner. Simply click into that. And now you can see all the friend requests that you have sent by clicking to this view sent request option. Step 3. Cancel the sent request. Now after coming here, just simply cancel the friend request that you have sent mistakenly or you don't want to send anymore. To do that, just simply click into this cancel button. By following these very easy steps, you can easily cancel any of the friend requests that you have sent into your Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.